All right, I know it's Tuesday, but I'm just now getting around to putting together my this week's April, the first week of April's spread in my, what is that, vertical. It was a crazy weekend, as you know. So here we go. So I'm going to do Winnie the Pooh because, I kind of got this thing going with Winnie the Pooh. So I went in my Winnie the Pooh stash, the vault. This is a digital. So I thought I might put that like right there. Somebody sent me these, and are these real? I'm using them. They may be real stamps, but I don't want to send them out in the mail. So, and then I ran off some in the past, some digitals on clear label. And it came out like this, so I just have to fussy cut. So I chose to fussy cut this one. I love that. The map. And I got Piglet and Eeyore. Vicky sent me this reminisce paper, and I opened that, I think it was yesterday. Every day is the same here when you retire. Anyway, I thought I'd put this on the dash sidebar or whatever that is. So I thought that was cute there. I wanted to include that. So thank you, Vicky. So yeah, I just grabbed a bunch of stuff. He's a little big, so I don't know if I'll use that or not. And my Echo Park. And then I just recently got, I do not have this, thank God. So some of those, my sticker book. What else have I got in my stash? Oh, and the Tigger. I think I'll use some of this. So let's get started. All right, I got out my wax paper, and I'm going to start planning it out. Learned this trick from Planner Time with Michael. Hi, Michael, if you're watching. So I'm going to put stuff. What's nice is you can kind of see what it's going to look like before you do it. Kind of plan it out. That's the idea of the planner. Get it? Anyway. I'm so corny. All right, so let's see here. Ooh, I like this one. Worry less, laugh more. That's my theme of this week. I'm going for it. I'm telling you. Tired of thinking. Okay, so the vertical gives you more space this way. I also have a horizontal, but we're just going to do the vertical today. All right. And then I want one over on this side to balance it, right? That's my thought anyway. Oh, that's on my... So maybe that up here. It's a very quiet week. Margaret and I were going to go camping, but her arm and shoulder and things are not cooperating. So she's okay, but she's not up to working with setting up a trailer. It's a lot of work and a lot of use of that arm. So we have plenty of time. We're retired. We can go. And plus, it's really yucky. So I would rather not be out in the rain. So I think that's all I'm going to do from the Tigger book. And I thought I would put maybe him right there. Let's get that. Oh, and I got some washi. So yeah, you don't have to use planner. I don't think. I run my own system here, but I even have my new Pooh Bear. I don't know what it is about Winnie the Pooh. But there you go. He's fun. I'll put that. I kind of put them between lines, boxes. I don't put them exactly. Okay, let's see. And then let's do this over here. I need something up here, maybe. Maybe I do need the Tigger book back up. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Aren't these cute, though? I mean, I like Tigger. I just didn't know when I ordered this that it was... Oh, there we go. Life is better with friends. years old. That is sure for sure. I agree with that. I am blessed to have good family and friends. Whoops. So Margaret's probably coming over on this day. So maybe we'll put it up here. And of course, that's not, I act like I got to really line it up when it's just on wax paper. But my book fell down. Hang on. Okay. I'm finding that in the evenings I update my day. And it really kind of, I don't know, it's a good wind down for the day. Oh, I like this. Do what makes you happy. Okay. Tigger, you're a big star of the show today. But anyway, it just kind of helps me kind of, settle in, reflect. I'm going to put it right here, but I'm going to put it lower when we actually put it on. Okay. Let's see. And then I want to try using these little guys. Let's see here how to get it apart though. And Cricut I got these on clearance. This isn't what I use, but it's the same idea. Printable, oh, it's vinyl. Is it clear? I don't know. But you can find, I think what I got was on Amazon. I don't know if I went looking for it to share with you, but I don't know. If I want to find something, I can't find it. If I don't need it, it's sitting right there in front of me. I swear to God. It's like, okay, there we go. So isn't that cool? Look at that. It's a little cool, little clear. I love it. Put that one there. Oh, I need something at the top of this, I think. I'm sorry, I was reading a text. Somebody. The Crafty Girls. I'll put this here. It'll show hopefully better. It's kind of faint. Let's see. What do I want at the top of this? Maybe I did get out. I saw this in the sticker books. I thought maybe I could do. Maybe I'll do the Be Yourself. Hopefully you can see all this. That kind of goes. And again, I'm putting it off of that so it doesn't. So let's go ahead and put what we have here so far and then fill it in after that. I'll add a little. Let's see. Do I need to add more? Can you see that? With my big arm in the way. Let's do this. There we go. There goes my roller. Okay. Sheesh. Ooh, I like that. That looks cute. Cute, more cute. Okay. And then I'm just going to put this. Maybe I'll put this here. That's pretty. I don't think I like that. Darn it, it's too faint. Shoot. That bums me out. But, let's see. So let's replace it with a different sticker. A real sticker. Here it is kind of like that, so maybe I'll do that one. It's the same idea of the map, I guess, is what I'm saying. What I usually do, like I'm an expert, I've only been doing this a few weeks, but is come along and fill in lines and things as I write later. I don't tend to put the lines, put that there. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but that is just too freaking cute. Okay. Frickin'. Not a bad word, I don't think. It's in place of the bad word. Here's the stamp. Somebody sent me these. Like I said, I don't think they're real stamps, but they are so cute. I need something down here. What should I do? Winnie the Pooh. I like that. The things that make me different are all the things that make me me. That's sweet. I like that, but I'm not using it. I'm going to with Winnie the Pooh right here, I think. I like that he's facing in for some. I learned that in my painting class. And here's me, let's be friends. Oh, here's some like bullets. It's not intended for that, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, making these planners, I forgot my tweezers, is so much fun. So I'll just use my scissors lightly. Can you see that? Probably not. Cute. Oh my gosh. And this is what I got, this container from Temu, and I put all my colored pencils. I still have one slot left. Pens, highlighters, a pair of scissors, so it's kind of my planner station. I do it downstairs while I'm watching my evening TV. So there you go. A glimpse into my little weird life. So, okay, let's see. What else do we have in here? Anything else? I love this where he's going up the honey tree. Do we have room for that? I don't want to over... Oh, look at him and Christopher Robin. Gotta have him in there. He's so special. Sorry. Oh my gosh. I could go sticker crazy, I tell you. I'll put this down at the bottom of the notes. So that's what I have so far for this page. It leaves writing. But yeah, these are too faint. Darn it. All right, so let's go ahead and decorate the next page. I didn't take it out of the... I meant to take it out of the book. The page is out. But that's why it's feeling awkward. That's okay. What did I decide? Right about here. Oh my gosh. This one here, right there. Busy day ahead. Okay, so I'm not liking those super clear ones, so I need something different on here. Let's see here. Ooh, I like this. And he's facing the correct direction. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's cute. Isn't this fun, though? I mean, I'm using my stickers up. Busy day ahead. Oh, happy day. That's cute. I need to balance this out. Oh my gosh. Which one did I use though on this side? I used that one already, obviously. That's a favorite. Were you guys yelling at me? Check to see which one you used. I'll use Christopher Robin because he's facing in. Okay, enough about that, Kim. They're thinking you're weird. If you're thinking that, you are correct. I am a unique individual, I think. Like I told my kids, I'm not boring. Gotta go that way. Gotta appreciate that about me. I think I'll put that right there. My washi tape. Where do I want washi tape? Oh, and Happy Planner, I meant to say, is having 20% off and free shipping right now. 2 days. So today and Wednesday. So, of course, I ordered not much. And free shipping and 20% off. Hello! Go put this up here. I mean, come on. You know, I'm Bargain Betty. And then Cherry on top has free shipping, $35 and over. So I got the new embossing folders from the Vault. I'm just going to let that be, but I'm going to trim that off a little bit. Oh my gosh. So I need that same tape over here now. Oh, I'm liking it. This is so fun, I tell you. If you got a lot of stickers and stuff, you need to be a planner. Finally using some of my stash. And I am working on my baby calendar, so I'll be filming that as I go. Fumble fingers here. I want that underneath there. There we go. And then what did I do here? Down here. So I want it right there. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, but this is just too freaking cute. So like I said, get out your stickers. Get out your... Doesn't have to be... I mean, a lot of this is planner, but it's also just my stuff, my stash of Mr. Pooh Bear. Okay, so let's open it up, see what we think. Oh, I'm thinking I like it. Cute. And more cute. I think I want something there, and I think we'll call it good after that. Don't you think? What do you think? Let's see here. Maybe something... Okay, so, oh, sorry. So there you go. Echo Park, Winnie the Pooh. I had all kinds of stuff out. I mean, I can add this if I decide I want to write somewhere, but these are kind of big, so. I got more than I needed out, but there you go, guys. There's my spread. Thanks for joining me, and have a great rest of your week. All right, bye-bye.